I grew up in East Boston. Growing up there, I don't think from a sense of community, none of us knew we were living in a low-income housing development. Our world was inside of that development. The wall seemed taller back then. As I started to approach 18, there was this dialogue of, when you turn 18, guess what happens? You have to go out on your own. There was really nobody that I can remember that had gone to college, so it never really played into the mindset, so I didn't really know what the next steps were going to be. At that same point, the housing development that I lived in was going to undergo a major construction renovation. As I was trying to figure out what was going to happen in my life, I had this opportunity to actually work on that construction project. I really enjoyed going to work every day and being with 150 other craftspeople, all working towards one goal. As my career grew, so did the complexity of the projects I was participating in, and so did the solutions around me started to grow with the industry. The smart labs for us here at Suffolk are a way for us to harness all of the good work that our folks out on our projects are doing in a way that we can bring to the organization in scale. As we started to grow as an organization and started to do more work, and our people started to become more curious from an intellectual standpoint, we started